In the vast canvas of celestial events, the year 2023 is set to unveil a breathtaking masterpiece, the super blue moon. This astronomical marvel, anticipated to be the third largest and brightest full moon of the year, promises an enchanting spectacle that merges the magnificence of a supermoon with the rarity of a blue moon. A super blue moon occurs at the confluence of two captivating lunar occurrences. A supermoon arises when the moon's orbit brings it closest to Earth, enhancing its size and luminosity. On the other hand, a blue moon emerges when a second full moon graces the same calendar month, an infrequent occurrence that lends an air of mystique to the event. 2023 will bless us with this extraordinary phenomenon, a full moon that seamlessly embodies both the attributes of a blue moon and the proximity of a supermoon. This synthesis will gift the night sky with a resplendent orb, radiating an alluring glow that outshines its companions. Amid the cosmic ballet, the super blue moon reminds us of the immense elegance of the universe and the intricate interplay of its elements. It's a celestial reminder that even as we navigate our earthly lives, the cosmos continues its dance, weaving patterns of splendor and wonder. To embrace this celestial spectacle, mark your calendar and stay attuned to reputable astronomical sources for precise timing and observation tips. The super blue moon of 2023 invites us to look beyond the horizon and glimpse the transcendent beauty that graces our skies, an ephemeral yet eternal reminder of the universe's timeless artistry.